Hi guys, this is a new video about TikTok, and today we will show you how to turn off or turn on the restricted mode on TikTok. So the first question is, what is this mode and how to manage it? So this restricted feature helps you to protect young people against inappropriate content on TikTok. So if you want to manage this feature and if you are interested in it, so let's go to the TikTok app. As you can see, we are on our profile page where we have to tap on the three lines icon at the top bar of the screen to go to the settings and privacy section. Perfect. Let's choose the digital well-being feature and go to the restricted mode section. Here, let's tap on the big red turn on button and set our new passcode for the restricted mode. So I will choose the default one, 2580. Later tap on the next feature, repeat our passcode, our PIN code. Later let's tap on the set option. And well done! As you can see, our restricted, our parents mode is turned on. So let's tap on the arrow here to go back to the main settings, and let's refresh our profile page to save all of the changes to be sure that everything is okay. So right now you can smoothly disable this feature. Let's tap on the same three lines option. Let's go to the settings and privacy section as before and to repeat our settings after tapping on the digital well-being feature. As you can see, our restricted mode is switched on, but we will deactivate it right now after tapping on this on feature. And choose the turn off button. Of course, you can change your PIN code, but we will turn off this feature after picking on this button. Let's set our newly created PIN code. Tap on the next. And voila! As you can see, our restricted mode is deactivated. Let's choose this arrow at the top bar again to go to the main profile page and save all of the changes and newly setted customizations. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channels. Bye bye.